Good morning, everyone. I have a new journal that I experimented with that I'm really excited to show you because I like how it turned out. This is a Clasp Journal and I really like how it turned out, and I just really like it. So, okay, this is an envelope journal. There's the front, there's the back. And around, I use distressed paint to offset that yellow, the typical yellow-orange color. And the flap was kind of torn up, so what I did is strengthened it by using some cardstock paper on both sides. And of course we have some charms. And so we just open it up. That is just so cool. I really like that. And then as you can see, I just sandwiched the flap in cardstock. And it kind of left an edging that I didn't like, so I just used some lace to do two things. One, to cover up the edging, and two, to cover up the tape from the clasp. Opening it inside, the inside was also done with the distress paint, and then some more cover up of the clasp part. Okay, and then we have our pages, which again I leave blank for the user to hole punch, stamp, do what they wish. And here's the bag, tuck spot here, and tuck spot here. Kind of a giant tag. Some Tim Holtz vellum paper. And just a bag right here. Another giant tag. So technically not much to it. The main feature, personally speaking, is the clasp that I really like. Some old book pages from a garden book. And then the center. And I leave these excuse me, string long in case people want to cut them, or they can add something to the ends if they like. And then we get to the other side. So this is just one signature. Either tag, the other part of the bag, which is also a tuck spot, other part of the bag, that other bag, and then this is the inside cover with, of course, leaving the pocket intact. Now, in this case, in order to strengthen the bag where the seams are, I don't know if you can see it. No, I can't show you. I used from this pattern package that I got at a thrift store. I used this stuff, which I don't know the name of it. I was told what it was, but I can't remember. And anyway, I just cut a strip off of this and then opened the envelope, stuck it inside and with glue, and just glued it down so that the spine is actually reinforced in that way. And then just use some basic twine to bind it. And that's pretty much it. But it's so cool, that's it. I'm really pleased how it turned out. The clasp is reinforced, so I mean, it's a little wobbly, but it's not going to go anywhere. And then the charms, when I threaded them through, I stuck them under the clasp. So that's my journal. I hope you like it. I very much do. And thank you for watching. Bye.